Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 650 with ABS brakes. This Kawasaki race team color bike just arrived with only 462 miles. Smoke windscreen, frame sliders, fender eliminator. Wait till you hear that exhaust system. Come on by and make your 650 Twin Sport dreams come true for only $74.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.